What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to boost your CPU speed. In other words, your processor speed. So I'm going to be showing you guys two tips in this video, and we're not going to be installing any programs. We're going to be just changing some of these settings on Windows 11 or 10. So the first thing you guys want to do is just go to your search tab right here, and you want to search up edit power plan. So once you have selected edit power plan, you guys will be prompted with this screen right here, and then what you want to select on is change advanced power settings. Once you have done that, the power option window should pop up, and then from here you should click on this little tab right here, and you're gonna have a bunch of options. You may not have all these options as I do, but what you want to do is look for the high performance tab. Some of you guys may have like ultimate performance, and right here I have the AMD Ryzen high performance, but I'm gonna select on this one right here, just high performance. Once you guys have done that, what you want to do is scroll down right here and look for the processor power management tab. So we're gonna click on the little plus symbol right here, and then it's gonna drop a couple more menus, and there is the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state. So what we want to do is select on the minimum processor state, and right now the setting is set to 0%. Is that what you guys want to set it to? Originally I believe it's set to 100%, so just type in 0, and then for the maximum you want to type in 100%. And then once you guys have done that, make sure you guys click on apply and then OK. So now that is the very first tip. So the second tip is opening up your task manager. So we'll open that up. So just type in task manager, and then from here what you want to do is go to the startup menu, and then what you basically want to do is disable whatever programs you don't want to start up when you boot up your computer. So I've disabled quite a few things, and you guys can also see the startup impact. So for example, you guys will notice that like DS4 Windows, because I do game on my computer obviously, it is pretty high at the startup impact, so I've disabled that. So if I ever want to run it once I boot up my PC, I can just run it on my own just by loading up the program. It's not going to automatically boot up it's not going to automatically load up the program once I boot up my computer. And you guys can basically go through the list right here. I've disabled most of the programs like Spotify and Steam. But once you guys have done that, you guys are good to go. These are two tips that will boost your CPU speed. There you guys have it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.